In this video, we'll be diving into how to optimize Folk CRM for outbound sales, giving you a quick and actionable breakdown of how to use the platform to streamline your sales outreach and improve your results. Whether you're just getting started with Folk CRM or looking to fine-tune your existing process, this guide will provide you with everything you need to know. And stay tuned because we'll also show you how you can access this powerful tool for free with our exclusive bonuses. Folk CRM is a versatile platform designed to make managing customer relationships simple, and it's especially useful for outbound sales teams. What makes Folk CRM unique is its combination of personalization and automation. So if you're in the world of outbound sales, this CRM can save you time and increase your conversion rates. When you first get started with Folk CRM, the key is to ensure that your contacts are well organized. Folk CRM's segmentation features are incredibly powerful here. You can segment your contacts based on various factors such as the stage of the sales funnel, lead source, or any custom criteria you create. This segmentation will help you create highly targeted outreach campaigns, which are crucial for outbound sales. Next, let's talk about the importance of automation. One of Folk CRM's standout features is its ability to automate repetitive tasks. You can set up workflows that trigger specific actions based on conditions you define. For example, when a prospect responds to an email, you can automatically schedule a follow-up call or email. This automation not only saves time, but ensures that no lead slips through the cracks. Folk CRM also integrates well with a wide range of tools you may already be using for outbound sales. Integrations with Gmail, LinkedIn, and other third-party apps make it easy to import data and track interactions across multiple platforms. This helps you maintain a unified view of each prospect's journey, so you can tailor your outreach and messaging to where they are in the process. When it comes to outreach, Folk CRM provides email sequencing that makes sending personalized emails at scale easier than ever. You can set up sequences that send follow-up emails at timed intervals, based on whether the prospect opened, clicked, or replied. This is incredibly helpful for outbound sales teams trying to juggle multiple leads at once without losing the personal touch. Another great feature is the team collaboration tools within Folk CRM. With a centralized view of all prospect information and communication history, your sales team can seamlessly collaborate and provide better support to your leads. You'll never have to worry about duplicated efforts or missed communications. Everyone on your team stays on the same page, working toward the same goal. And if you're a fan of data-driven decisions, you'll love the analytics and reporting features in Folk CRM. The platform tracks your email open rates, response rates, and other key metrics. This allows you to constantly refine your approach and optimize your outreach strategies. Plus, the visual reports make it easy to spot trends and adjust your strategy accordingly. To maximize Folk CRM for outbound sales, consistency is key. You need to ensure that your outreach process is repeatable and that your messaging is aligned with your target audience. Folk CRM makes it easier to achieve this by allowing you to store templates, workflows, and sequences for consistent messaging across all sales reps. By the way, if you're looking to dive into Folk CRM, we've got something special for you. You can start using Folk CRM completely for free by signing up through the first link below. This exclusive offer gives you access to an extended free trial so you can explore all these features without any commitment. To wrap up, optimizing Folk CRM for outbound sales comes down to leveraging its automation, segmentation, and integrations to streamline your process. Whether you're just starting or looking to enhance your current strategy, Folk CRM's features are designed to support you every step of the way. And don't forget, you can access this software for free with our exclusive bonus. Check the link below to get started today.